Hi everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. It's time for another episode of
What's on the back of the box?
Today it's the Christmas breakfast edition. I'm taking this loaf of Pepperidge Farm cinnamon swirl bread, turning it around and trying out the recipe on the back. So here they have a baked French toast. I cannot wait to give it a try, and it has a little bit of a Christmassy twist. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like my recipe here today. Let's go! And that's
What's on the back of the